Hey folks, how are you today? Mark Toney, CEO at Lucci Media. Some exciting stuff to talk to you about. We're expanding our company to now create custom AI assistants for small businesses and solo entrepreneurs who need help in getting more time around their office to get more things accomplished. We're going to start with marketing tools and apps that are available to you, but also along the way, we want to provide things that will analyze specific data, take large spreadsheets or large PDFs of numbers and information and extract data and information from them that you may never have caught as a human just kind of normally reviewing them. We want to create tools on the sales side that will generate leads for you. We want to create some tools that will let you do email marketing, write blog posts, create content of all sorts. So I just want to let you know about it. And I want to let you know right now that you can learn more information. If you go to luccimedia.net, click up here on AI Assistance, you'll come to what we call our AI Starter Kit. Okay, and you can kind of see what it looks like here, just taking you down the page. Now, these are probably some main points or concerns. I know a lot of business owners may be dabbling already in AI, probably using the free version of ChatGPT, try to get some information out of it, and that's good. I know a lot of you may have concerns over privacy and security. There's things called custom GPTs that we can create that will protect that privacy, protect your data, make sure it's all secure, that sort of stuff. And I know, again, I should be marketing more, but I don't have time. So what we're creating are the tools that allow you to have time to do that and to get results and to generate more business for you. You can see it's $49 a month. I hope that's a very affordable price to get started. We're always interested in your feedback on that number. Here are some things to get you started at $49 a month. We have a tool that is already taught how to create social media posts. Has a lot of information already built into it or baked into it, maybe is what I should say, in terms of best practices on social media posts. And it's really very easy. You plug this in, you put in your idea, what you want to accomplish with your social media posts, and it'll generate 3 at a time, 3 unique different social media posts for you. What about email writing? You want to market, you have a list, maybe you have your own customer list that you'd like to do a newsletter to. Maybe you have a list of prospects, contacts, or leads that you want to kind of start nurturing along. Email writer will allow you to do that. Again, already all the best practices and everything about how to write an email, effective tools in doing it, all of that stuff is already baked into the email writer. If you're going to start doing like I am, video and video scripts, I know we have one client who has started using video in his credit repair business, doing a great job on them. And sometimes you need to have a little bit of a script. So you have an idea on, hey, I want to do a short video on this particular topic. You simply plug in the topic, it generates a script for you, and you're ready to go to create that video. Bookline and headline generator. This is an interesting tool that we created to do a couple of things. Looking to send out that email and want to have the right subject line, because the subject line matters in everything you do in email. Then go to the book headline generator, tell it what you want it to do in terms of what the email is about, and it'll generate that subject line that is designed to get people to click and open that email. Also, it will generate what are called hooks. So a hook is sort of like that first line in a social media post or in a blog post that's designed to hook people and get them to scroll further into reading that social media post. It'll generate those at a rate of 10 of those at a time. Give it one idea, it'll give you a hook. But not only that, it'll show you which one is most likely to generate the most clicks. So that's a pretty cool little feature in there. This is one of my absolute favorite tools. It's a hyper-realistic image generator. There's a lot of AI image generators out there right now. If you're using free versions, you're really not getting a good sense of what they're capable of. ChatGPT has come out with an image generator, and it's very good if you prompt it correctly. You may have heard of a tool called Midjourney. Well, this tool is the best I have seen yet at using what's called natural language. Natural language is nothing more than what you write down, what you tell it to do. I want you to create an image of a 10-year-old boy on a rocket ship holding a banana high in the air. That's natural language image prompting. You plug that in, this will give you an amazing result. And so you can use this tool not only, say you're doing a social media post and you generate it here, then ask it to create a prompt that will illustrate whatever your social media is about, or a blog post or an email. Maybe you want an image inside of your email. All of these things can be generated right here, okay? Like I say, 30 days, full access, $49 in here. But that's not where the value in what we're offering stops, because we've created this AI roadmap. This is literally a book on how to use AI from a beginner's perspective. It shows you all kinds of methods, what you need to know, things like prompt engineering. What is prompt engineering? Well, it's how you construct a prompt to get you exactly what you need. It teaches you all of that. Plus, we've built and added 10,000 different prompts added to the AI roadmap. So for not only do you get the apps, you get the AI roadmap as well for the $49 a month. So a lot of value in here. You can see one payment, full access, get the AI roadmap on top of that for use forever. We'd love to have you reach out and let us know what your questions are, or if there are other things you'd like to see us create in the way of apps up here, or AI assistants, as I like to call them. Please give us your feedback.